Welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you are old, welcome. Today's video is sponsored by Lasooa hair. I believe that's how you pronounce it. They sent me this frontal curly wig, y'all. It is short. It is about 14 inches, and I will be installing it with y'all, showing y'all how I got this cute, easy look. I did decide to do a side part with this wig, y'all. Also, I did not bleach the knots. I did not do anything. I barely plucked the wig, y'all. I literally put it on fresh out of the box. So yes, I basically will be installing it with y'all, showing y'all this very easy, beginner friendly look, y'all. It definitely turned out cute. So yes, let's get right into this video. So guys, this is the completed look. This is after the hair completely dried. It did have a lot of volume to it, y'all. It definitely was cute. It definitely was easy and very beginner friendly, y'all. And this wig is definitely affordable. Definitely affordable. It also came pre-cut. So yes, I definitely love it. Everything about this company will be in the description box. Literally everything. You can use my discount code to get money off if you are interested in shopping with them. Let them know that I did send you, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. We at 50K. We're on the road to 100K. Y'all know the vibes. And until next time, I will see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to check that description box for the discount code.